Hello and welcome to another video. In this lesson, I want to show you how to install the Helix Ultimate Framework. Now, before we do that, you need to make sure that you have a web host. So whether you have a cPanel or something equivalent that allow you to be able to install Joomla, then you're going to need access to that. You may need to contact your host to get your cPanel login and sometimes your FTP login. But for the sake of this, I'm not going to use the FTP. I want to show you a faster way of how you can be able to get to install it. So make sure that you have your login. If you don't know which login it is, contact your web host. A web host is just a company that allows for you to put your stuff so that it's visible online. So anyone around the world can be able to access it. So once you have that login, you put the username and the password. So once you've successfully logged in, your screen should look something like this. Once again, your dashboard may be different, but majority of people use cPanel or control panel to be able to install Joomla. So if yours doesn't look like this, as long as you're able to find a place that allows you to have control over the back end. If you don't know where that is or how to get access to it, make sure that you ask your web host because they're going to let you know exactly where to get access to. You're going to need this in order to move forward at this point. So next is we're going to learn how to create a database.